Hey, Pete here from Northern Works. Just a short video this week because I'm in the middle of a project, but it's taking ages. Things are manic at work. And anyway, it doesn't matter. Let me show you what I'm up to. I'm getting these oak boards ready to glue up into a panel for a side table that I'm working on. And although I've managed to get the joints nice and flat by clamping them together and then sanding the edges as if they were one, I'm not so convinced I can keep them flat with just the small number of clamps that I've got available. So I want to try putting dowels in. Now I've used dowels before to strengthen joinery, but these dowels are going to be used for alignment, which means they absolutely have to be precise and in the right place. So I'm going to build a jig. Now I know I could probably buy a doweling jig, and they're probably not that expensive, but with all this scrap wood lying around, it seems like a waste. And it's just good fun, isn't it? Solving problems. So I'm looking for a design that's super simple, that will put a hole in the dead center of the edge of a board every single time, and is universal enough that I can use it for future glue ups. And the hole needs to be straight. I've had a ratchet around in the scrap bin, and I found these two pieces of pine, both of which are a decent shape to make something like this. But the problem with pine is it's very soft, which means after drilling a few holes, the shape is likely to change. So I need a piece of hardwood. I think I've got a bit of ash knocking around. This piece is too big though, obviously, so I just need to cut some square edges and then we can drill some holes. And now I'm going to mark 3 holes directly down the center. It doesn't really matter actually if they're in the center or not, but they have to be on the same line. Now the whole point of this jig is to make sure that when I drill into the edges of the boards, that those holes are dead straight for the dowels to align. So that means that the hole I drill through the jig also has to be dead straight. But I think I've got a way to do that. We've got another small piece of scrap hardwood, and I've checked that at least one of these edges is square to the face. And I've drawn a line down the middle. Now I could stop there and I could just put it up against my piece and try really hard to make sure that my drill bit is always in line with that. But I want this to be super precise. So I'm actually going to cut a little slot in here just with a chisel and make sure that the drill bit stays seated at vertical. Now I'm using 8mm dowels, so I've got an 8mm drill bit. But I'm going to start with a little pilot hole just to get everything going in the right direction. And then these outer holes are actually just for dowels, for seating, so they don't need to be quite so accurate. And that's basically it, which seems a bit ridiculous really, that something so simple, but it's going to be really effective. Let me show you how it works. Let's imagine that I'm trying to clamp these two boards together, and what I'm worried about is that with the clamping pressure that they're going to twist ever so slightly, and one will end up higher than the other, and I've got to spend loads of time flattening it. So what I want to do is put a dowel at either end of the boards to make sure that when they go together they're held flat. Of course, for that to work, the dowels need to be lined up with each other to make sure that when it goes together everything stays in line, and that's the beauty of this jig. No matter what the thickness of the board, this jig will always put the hole right in the middle of the board. So now when I glue the panel together, the boards can't twist, and it should be a lot easier at the end. And that's what I'm counting on when it comes to gluing up these oak boards to make the panel for my tabletop. I don't have a lot of big tools, and I don't have loads of time to do this, so the more flat and straight and level I can get my board, now is going to mean a lot less sanding further down the line. For such a simple little jig, this is going to be a massive time saver. But time is something I haven't got a lot of now, and I need to get back to packing for my trip. So you'll have to wait for the next video to see how the tabletop turns out. See you again.